Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Shopify theme customization, full guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing Shopify theme customization issues, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on themes to view your current theme and available options. Identify the theme you are using and click on customize. In the theme editor, familiarize yourself with the sections available. Select the section you wish to edit, such as the header. Make necessary adjustments to settings like colors, fonts, and images. Preview changes in real time to see how they affect your store's layout. If you want to add a new section, click on Add Section and choose from the available options. After adding a new section, fill in the necessary fields with your desired content. To rearrange sections, simply drag and drop them into your preferred order. Once you are satisfied with the look, click the Save button to apply changes. If you encounter specific issues, check the theme documentation or support resources. For advanced customization, access the Edit Code option under the Theme settings. Familiarize yourself with Liquid, Shopify. Make sure to back up your theme by duplicating it before making significant code edits. Test the changes across different devices and screen sizes to ensure compatibility. If you find issues with mobile responsiveness, use the mobile preview option within the editor. Should problems persist, consider restoring a previous version of your theme. Keep in mind that Shopify's community forums can be a helpful resource for troubleshooting. If all else fails, reaching out to Shopify support may provide additional assistance. Regularly check for theme updates to take advantage of new features and fixes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.